right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Super Mario Brothers project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now we're gonna go take a look at our Google Colab. So what I ended up doing was I did forget that I wanted to keep one section of the code as the master code. So we do have three versions of the code now. We have this version here, the master code version. This is the version that we're not going to touch. We're just going to add to it as we move along. We're not going to take anything away or alter anything. We're just going to add to the code as we come across it, and we're going to leave it as it is intact, and we're going to build from there. Then we have the second version of the code. Where's the second that test code? No, that's test code 2. It's test code 1. So this is test code 1. This is without the vec frame environment. So he's going to run it directly without the vec frame environment. That's without putting our dummy vec inside of the vec frame environment. So we're just going to do the joypad and the dummy vac. Now, you know, the joypad is the environment that has the actual game, and the dummy vac has the reinforcement learning tools that we need. So we're just going to use these two in this version and move forward like that. And then in this second test code here, we're going to move forward with the vec frame environment, but not able to stack the joypad environment. So this is the one we worked on yesterday. We're able to actually pass the environment into our vec frame environment, but it's not picking up. So it's not picking up the 4 frames that we have stacked. It's still only picking up the single frame. So we're going to leave it like that, and we're going to run the code like this. So we do have all 3 of the code versions set up. We only added 1 line of code today. We didn't run it yet. I just added the line of code to all of the code bases to the main frame, and then the 2 test ones. Even though we're not changing anything with the main code or the master code, I'm still going to add everything that we do in the other 2 to this one, just so we can keep a record of everything that's getting implemented and being changed if we do change anything. So that's basically where we're at with that. So tomorrow we can start moving forward. And basically what this new line of code does is the state reward done info. This is going to step through every frame that we have stacked. And even though we don't have any frames stacked, it shouldn't really matter. We're still going to be able to step into the frame that we do have available to us. So that's what this line of code does. And we did add it to all 3 of the versions of the code that we're running. So as we move forward, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.